So I'm opening a Series 3 first partner illustration collection with my cousins, Sophia and William. And so we're gonna open this, and I have to open everything that's inside of it. So let's get started by breaking this seal. It's already worth like 2 cents now. So.
Oh, everybody join in.
Stickers. Yeah, I know. We got the illustration first. Got Chaos Rising and Pitch Black.
I would like the Chaos Rising, please.
Okay. We're gonna open Chaos Rising first.
Okay.
What does Anna Sophia get?
Anna Sophia gets that one. Yes.
Are you sure? Yeah, we're gonna open it at the
Alrighty. Which one are we gonna open first?
The Chaos Rising.
Alright, open it up.
No, you go ahead.
Alright, perfect. Alright. So how does it work? So
You just
if we
have-
want the best one at the end, which card should I move up first?
You have to take the code card out, take the first card,
First card?
no, to the back, from the back,
Okay.
and to the front. And then you got energy to the row.
Alright. Yeah. A Watchhog. Zubat. Octillery. Beldum. Transformation. Got a trainer. Sudowoodo. Skuntank. Another Sudowoodo, but it's hollow.
Reverse Sudowoodo. We got a reverse
Delphox.
Delphox.
That's
Very fancy.
And we got a hollow Triumph.
Trevenant.
Is that a cool one?
Yes.
Okay, now we got Mega Evolution Pitch Black with the Venusaur code card. It's a code card for you guys. It's the front. Fire Energy, Grubbin, Mandibuzz, Jinx, Drillbur, Halfling, Thievul, Bandit, Relicanth, Thievul, and Armagon Reverse. I mean Hollow. Now we got the actual 3 illustration designs.
Is this like the good one?
Yeah, it's a good one.
Wait.
That's enough to tear it.
Oh, right.
Yeah. Can you give me?
Wait.
Can you give me? Okay, we got Pikachu code card for you guys.
Well, give it to Anna Sophia. She's cool.
No, you got it. I don't know this stuff.
We got a Chespin, a Fennekin, and a Froakie. Okay, that's the end of the video. So see you in the next video. And make sure to like and subscribe.
Okay.